Polkadot cost pretty equivalent to $6.0220 a coin, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 5.9140-6.0540 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 6.0360 in a kind of large way. The change especially was 0.0140, 0.23%. Kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Reverse rate, United States dollars to spot. Polkadot value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which essentially is genuinely huge. Polkadot cost expectation on Monday, WAC 6, cost $5.77, truly greatest 6.17, for the most part least 5.37. Polkadot conjecture on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost $5.62, sort of greatest 6.01. Least 5.23, which fundamentally is very critical. Polkadot cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost $5.74, extremely greatest 6.14, least 5.34, which explicitly is very huge. Polkadot gauge on Thursday, WAC 9, cost $5.55, exceptionally greatest 5.94, beautiful least 5.16, which by and large is very critical. Polkadot cost forecast on Friday, WAC 10, cost $5.45, lovely most extreme 5.83, beautiful least 5.07 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Polkadot gauge on Monday, WAC 13, cost $5.59, in every way that really matters, greatest 5.98, genuinely least 5.20, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Polkadot cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost $5.49, especially greatest 5.87, sort of least 5.11, or so they for the most part thought. Polkadot estimate on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost $5.13, for the most part greatest 5.49, fundamentally least 4.77, or so they in a real sense thought. Polkadot cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 16, cost $5.05, exceptionally most extreme 5.40. Extremely least 4.70 incredibly. Polkadot conjecture on Friday, WAC 17, cost $5.02, essentially most extreme 5.37, really least 4.67, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Polkadot cost expectation on Monday, WAC 20, cost $4.85 in every practical sense, most extreme 5.19, essentially least 4.51. Or so they fundamentally thought. Polkadot figure on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost $4.87, lovely greatest 5.21, by and large least 4.53, or so they generally thought. Polkadot cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost $4.98, certainly most extreme 5.33, essentially least 4.63, which sort of is genuinely huge. Polkadot figure on Thursday, WAC 23, cost $5.04, sort of most extreme 5.39, genuinely least 4.69, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Polkadot cost expectation on Friday, WAC 24, cost $5.65, truly most extreme 6.05, truly least 5.25, or so they especially thought. In 3 weeks Polkadot figure on Monday, WAC 27, cost $5.53, genuinely most extreme 5.92, beautiful least 5.14, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Polkadot cost forecast on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost $5.88, greatest 6.29, lovely least 5.47, exhibiting how Polkadot value sort of equivalent to $6.0220 a coin, which for the most part is very huge. Polkadot estimate on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost $5.96, beautiful most extreme 6.38, certainly least 5.54 incredibly. Polkadot cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 30, cost $5.87, for the most part greatest 6.28, sort of least 5.46, which truly is genuinely huge. Polkadot gauge on Friday, WAC 31, cost $5.81, especially most extreme 6.22, sort of least 5.40 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Polkadot cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $5.86, kind of most extreme 6.27, certainly least 5.45, most certainly further appearance. How the change really was 0.0140, 0.23%, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Polkadot gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $5.83, really greatest 6.24, truly least 5.42. Or so they most certainly thought. United States dollars to spot swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.1661 coins per $1, which generally is very critical. Today's reach, 0.1652 to 0.1691. The past AS nearby, 0.1657. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change for now plus 0.0004, plus 0.24%. Or so they for the most part thought. United States dollars to spot cost gauge for, in the not so distant future and month, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Polkadot estimate on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.173 coins, really greatest 0.186, fundamentally least 0.162, which generally is genuinely huge. United States dollars to spec expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.178 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.191, certainly least 0.166, showing how Polkadot cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $5.05, especially greatest 5.40, most certainly least 4.70. Which sort of is very huge. Dollar to Polkadot conjecture on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.174 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.187, beautiful least 0.163 in a fundamentally significant way. United States dollars to DAB expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.180 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.194, kind of least 0.168. Exhibiting that the past AS nearby, 0.1657, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Dollar to Polkadot gauge on Friday, walk 10, cost 0.183 coins, for the most part greatest 0.197, kind of least 0.172 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week United States dollars to DAB expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.179 coins, truly most extreme 0.192, essentially least 0.167 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Polkadot conjecture on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.182 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.196, truly least 0.170 in a significant way. United States dollars to DAB forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.195 coins, essentially most extreme 0.210, genuinely least 0.182, which explicitly shows that exceptionally backwards rate. United States dollars to DAB, which explicitly is very critical. Dollar to Polkadot figure on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.198 coins, truly greatest 0.213, truly least 0.185, which is genuine.